Hey guys, what's up? This is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to talk about why I switched from Android to the iPhone. Now, in later in before years, like it was when 2017 hit, I literally thought of changing my phones. Now, I was a very big fan of OnePlus, and OnePlus was amazing. It really helped me a lot with my content, with my stuff, with my studies as well, but it didn't give me that kind of help when I wanted to play on, say, when I wanted to watch some entertainment or when I wanted to play some games. It was good, but it wasn't that good. Now the thing about phones are you replace it, right? Every once or twice a year you replace it. Now it's not for everyone, but for me, I thought that why not get something that is really good. The first option was Samsung. I really liked Samsung, but I already had, by that time I had the Samsung S7 and the S7 Edge, and of course the S6 Edge as well. I used them both. I really liked them, but it was okay. It didn't give me that kind of love. So I thought about it and made a decision of getting an iPhone. I got my, the second iPhone. I previously had the iPhone 6s Plus, which was, I didn't like it at all. But when the iPhone 12 hit the market, I really thought about it and I really went for it in 2020. In 2020, when I got the iPhone 12, it literally changed everything. Now the videos were good, the photos were, it was okay, you need to edit it, but it really made me feel extremely like, I literally thought that phones couldn't do that. But when I started playing high-end games, especially when I started to play Genshin Impact, I literally thought that, oh my god, what have I been missing? And I have been missing a lot. Now the iPhone 16 came out, and before that, before the iPhone 15 came out, I thought of getting myself another upgrade. So I got the iPhone 14 Plus. Now it's working great. It is down to 86% on the battery, but it's completely fine because by next 1 or 2 years I'll be changing it. I'll not be changing the battery, I'll change the whole set itself. So it's completely fine for me. Now the main section of what I really liked about the iPhone was the entire ecosystem. Now I know everyone is gonna say, oh, you're an Apple fanboy, but I am not. I am not, because see, look at this. I have been using this for almost what now 6-7 months. This is the OnePlus Buds, and I really love them. And of course, when I switched to iPhone, everyone was like, it's so boring, it's so something or the other, it's just not good. Why did you get the iPhone? I told them that I got the iPhone because I wanted a change, and I wanted a change not only from the system but from everything. And once you turn to a certain age, you basically want something that is reliable. And I was having a lot of problems with Android. There was a little bit of bug, but it's completely fine. I never want to complain about Android, but I always wanted to say that yeah, it was good, but it was not up to what I wanted. So the iPhone came into the scenario. Now the cameras. Now when I talk about the cameras of iPhone, it's not good. It's okay, but it's not that good. It's not like groundbreaking good like a DSLR photo or something, but it's okay. Like right now I'm making this video directly on my phone. There's no I don't even have a microphone. There's a fan, and this is basically the room. So it's completely fine. The audio that's coming, that's exactly from the iPhone itself. So I don't want to make any changes, but that's completely fine. It's like I really understand that this is it. This is what it is right now. So I got the iPhone. Now let's talk about the iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus, and of course the Pro models. The iPhone 16 came into view like a couple of days back, like 2 days back. I saw all of that, and it was really good. Now, would I be upgrading from my iPhone 14 Plus to iPhone 16 Plus? The answer is no, I won't, because it's good. It's an incremental update, and of course there is a new button, there's a new thing, everything is new. It's really nice. It looks really amazing and everything, but it's just when you have it, you have it. When you don't have it, you just do not miss it that much. So iPhone 16 is a pass for me. maybe I'll go for the iPhone 17. And of course, one more thing that's very important, I saw, when you're getting an iPhone, do not get the simple normal models, because it might be, it might be good for the budget, it might be good for whatever, but let's be frank, you're going to use it for 4 years. Immediately, if you get an iPhone right now, you are going to use that phone like the jelly and a jam, and like you're gonna use it every day, you're gonna use it all the time. So do not get, or do not compromise just because a couple of bucks matters. So well, keep it. Maybe you won't get the 16 Pro or 16 Pro Max, get the 17 Pro Max. You have a year to plan, and you have so much money, you can just keep the money aside and then you can keep it out, right? So that's what I wanted to say. This is just a small video. I just want to start my YouTube channel again. So this is just a simple rant that I had, and I wanted to get this off my chest because I got a lot of comments that why did you go for iPhone? It's so boring. It's so for old people's sake. Why? It's just so dull and all. But those people who do complain, they are the ones who were up with me at around 1 o'clock or so, and they were the ones who were like looking into the iPhone 16 Pro ads and everything. So that's what I'm saying. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you like it. Many more videos are going to come, and of course please subscribe and share as much as you can. Thank you. Bye.